Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm here to do a beauty unboxing. It's the beginning of the month. I did post a little picture on Instagram of a bunch of boxes, and the message I saw first, there may have been more, but there's one message I saw and it said, yes, please do Evesparcel first. So I was like, okay, I will. Do you know, directly after I posted that picture, I just fell asleep, conk out of sleep for, I don't know, 4.5 hours. Hence this. Anyway, hopefully there is something in this parcel that will cheer up my face and be really good for you guys too. So this box is £10 plus P&P, and I get the version without period stuff. Check out my other videos if you want to hear more about that. But before I unbox it, I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy these videos. It just takes a moment to sign in or sign up to Google, and then you can let me know. You can thumbs up to your heart's content, and you know, you can also subscribe. It's true. And while you're there, you can ring the notification bell so you never miss a random upload from me. And of course, when we're done, you can share this video. Right, let's get into it. It looks like this. This box always looks a little empty because of course I don't have the period products in it that would be in here as well. Ooh, something old, something new. Let's see what this says. Welcome to spring. Who else is glad to see the back of winter and looking forward to sunshine and Easter eggs? We sure can't wait. Yes for Easter eggs, but boy, hasn't it been rainy and dark and horrible the last few days. I even got salted by the salter yesterday. Salted by the salter, does that make sense? Do you know what I mean? The grit spreader. This month's parcel has been inspired by spring, and it's Everglow. And it's Everglow? And it's Everglow. All the products in this month's parcel are there to help you shine your brightest. Evesparcel is focused on female health and well-being. We want our parcel to pamper and indulge you, so relax, unwind and get that glow, sister. We wish you an amazing month ahead and look forward to bringing you another amazing parcel next month. Evesparcel. Okay, let's do all the paperwork. Why not? So every month they have an affirmation card of the month, and this one says, I am enough. Okay, yeah, you are. Know that you're enough. You are a beautiful creation. The world needs your unique self and your unique gifts. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Explore new experiences, embrace change, find your strength, have faith, fall in love with yourself. Why not? Yoga position of the month is the butterfly. I feel like we've had this before. It stimulates the abdominal organs and thereby increases the blood flow to the uterus, helping to cure menstrual cramps. Butterfly pose is one of the most effective yoga poses for menstrual cramps. I like that one because I can also do that one fairly well. I like things I can do fairly well. And there must be something from Seacret in here. I love Seacret stuff, all the stuff I've tried so far. You've probably heard me before going, oh, I really like their face wipes because they're so good, but they're £20 for a pack. So yeah, enjoy Seacret with 50% off all products with coupon code nice to meet you. 50% off, that is decent. There we go. Right, finally into the box. Now, this one is an old favourite, old hand, I don't know. It's the banana setting powder from Bellápierre. This is like my 4th or 5th one of these, I think. And it's a pretty good setting powder. It is quite brightening. Obviously, it doesn't work on all skin tones because it is yellow, like a banana. But it does work for me. Maybe it's not as fine as some powders, but if you're using it for brightening, I think it's actually quite good. I wasn't sure about it last time, but that's because I hadn't used it for a while. And I have used it in between. I don't know if I've got my open one somewhere. I have, I can see it. So you can see the difference. This is my old one. I think I first got this in a glossy box or something. This is what the powder looks like. Just like that. It's very soft. You know, just a nice powder. I don't think it smells of anything. Can you see that on my hand? Blurred effect a bit compared to that hand. Veins not looking quite as prominent. Does that help? Hope that helps. I know, it's better if I put it on. No beauty kit is complete without banana powder. This colour correcting setting powder has subtle yellow hues to counteract any redness or discoloration. Ideal for under eyes, spot correcting and perfect for baking, but not making cakes, baking your face. Okay, Next, food. Dark chocolate brownie. I really, really wish I was a person that liked dark chocolate. There is so much good dark chocolate stuff out there. I just don't like it. I need the milk. I need the sweetness. This is a rich, moist Belgian dark chocolate brownie from Traybakes, handmade in the UK. No idea how many calories it is. Why do they not make it easy? I don't know. Indulge in a delicious, rich, moist Belgian chocolate brownie made with the finest ingredients in small batches to ensure perfection, guaranteed to bring a sparkle to your eye, or a sparkle to my husband's eye anyway. So happy days for him. And I'm also not even that keen on brownies. I love chocolate, but I do not like chocolate cake, chocolate milkshake, chocolate sauce. I know, I'm odd. Right, this is our tea bag for the month from Heath and Heather Organic Blackcurrant, naturally caffeine free. A deliciously autumnal fruit infusion exploring the flavours of sweet organic blackcurrants. This is autumnal and this is a spring box. But I don't mind. The last one I had from Heath and Heather, I actually really enjoyed flavoured tea bag, so I'm looking forward to this. Here is our product from Seacret. It's just this little thing in a box. What is it? A mud soap, all natural, okay. Enriched with a mineral-rich Dead Sea mud, Seacret mud soap will gently cleanse the skin to give it a healthy glow. Use daily. Okay, I've got to open it up. And there we go, just a little black, well, sort of black grey soap. I would use this with a face mitt because I think it helps to exfoliate by using something rough. And I'm using the little sponge, charcoal sponge thing that we got, I don't know, got it last month. And it really is easy to rub something exfoliating all over your face. I don't know why I'm touching my face, as if you don't know how to wash your face. You know how to wash your face. But quite often I use it's electric thing with a brush attachment that just exfoliates the face. And that's what I would do with this, because it's good to give that fresh look to your skin every day, but gently, of course. Clean, restore and balance your skin. Created with original Dead Sea ingredients, all natural and paraben free. Work into a lather and apply to face. Rinse thoroughly to reveal cleansed skin with a healthy glow. Ooh, then we've got this. Now I've had a few items from Soapsmith, quite a few in the pit box, but this is my first bath bomb from them, so I'm happy about that. It's their Marble Arch Scent Butter Bath Bomb. All of their products are like, I don't know if they're named after railway stations or just named after bits of London. So, you know, Marble Arch. Vanilla, orange, saffron and a hint of patchouli. These butter bath bombs are divined and packed with shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut butter to gently cleanse and moisturise the skin. Marble Arch, with its striking appearance, is reflected in its strong, sensual scent. I don't know what this is on the back, but I think they tried to put something in there. Is that supposed to be like an M-way or something? I don't know. Leaving you with luminous scent. I'm going to have a sniff. What is the difference between a regular bath bomb and a butter bath bomb? Is it like all creamy feeling rather than powdery? Guess I'll find out. No, it still feels powdery. It does feel like it's going to break if I squeeze it too hard. Do you know, this really reminds me of Christmas. Maybe it's the orange. Christmas, orange chocolate, that's what it reminds me of. Well, not just Christmas, but I like Christmas, so not a problem for me. And my bath is freshly clean, so maybe it's waiting for me to get in it. Here we have a last item, and I might even be able to demo this one. It's not something I recognise, if you recognise that packaging at all. It's from Nomad Beauty Collection, and it's a Hello Skin Water Splash Mask. Okay, you know, it's got this little thing in the back, I guess, to translate, although some of this is in English, but maybe the rest isn't. I like that. I like they're being helpful. Hard to get into though. This revitalising sheet mask contains natural ingredients which help balance your skin's moisture level in dry environments. Its gentle 100% cotton fabric is of the finest quality for the perfect adherence while still allowing your skin to breathe. It says, hello beauty lovers, welcome to Nomad Beauty Collection, a labour of love combining skincare and travel. On this occasion we are bringing you the new skin saver of our time, sheet masks. Sheet masking has reached cult status amongst celebrities, skincare experts and beauty junkies alike. Why the craze? Aside from being renowned for their incredible hydrating properties, sheet masks target different skin concerns and offer flexible treatment from brightening dull complexions to calming irritated skin. There's something for everyone. Sheet masking offers an affordable, super easy and speedy way to give your skin some extra love without having to leave home. Treat yourself to healthy glowing skin. From Mega, Lucia and Andrea. What is it supposed to do? Oh, interesting actually, because this one says apply toner before putting the mask on. And some masks I feel like you put on before you put anything on in case the toner blocks it. But this one is not like that. Balance your skin's moisture level in dry environments. I feel like that's kind of good maybe when you're on a plane or something. Is this the one for me to do tonight? I don't know. Because my skin is not particularly dry or anything. It's just a bit red. I'm actually not going to demo this now because, to be honest, I feel like all you're going to see is me with a wet, shiny face. And it's not going to look particularly more moisturised because I haven't got any dry patches. As you can see, my skin's kind of okay in that regard. But there is a chance, a teeny weeny chance, but there's still a chance that I may be taking a flight soon. And this seems like the perfect thing to do on that. Because, you know, airplane air is very drying. Yes, that's what we'll do. I'm just going to quickly add this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just looked everything up quickly, added everything up, and this box is worth £39.28. Yeah, rounding up, 28 pence, we'll be generous. Interestingly enough, the Bellápierre powder is marked as £20 on this sheet, but on their website it's 25, which actually does ring a bell now I've seen it. So I'm giving them an extra £5 worth of value there. No worries, Evesparcel, I'm there for you, I help you out. Also says you can use it as a base eyeshadow. I can't remember, I'm pretty sure Bellápierre stuff is vegan and cruelty free. They've got a special section of vegan stuff, but not all their stuff is vegan. Highly on trend, made with the safest ingredients and entirely cruelty free. There you go, and a vegan line. So that's good to know. Now when I read my information on this, it said that it was, I don't know, I swear I read something that said it was afternoon earlier. I am so confused now. I thought, oh, that's where it said it. I was thinking, what? I'm sure it said autumnal somewhere. Not on there, it's on here. It says deliciously autumnal fruit, but when you go on their website, it says these summer currants are an invaluable source of vitamins with a wonderfully tart flavour. The dark purple fruits are often found in English hedgerows and here provide an irresistible fruit infusion with organic hibiscus, rosehip, raspberry leaves, licorice root, lemongrass and organic blackcurrant. Naturally caffeine free, gluten free, vegan, vegetarian and kosher. Here they say summer and here it says autumn. So it kind of makes more sense when it says summer because obviously we're coming into summer rather than autumn. So that shuts me up about that. You know me, I've got to find something I'm not sure about. And I do have more information on this. The Jumiso line from Hello Skin will surely put a smile on your face. Formulated with 100% of the mildest, breathable Seacret cotton yarn, it adheres to the skin perfectly, maximising the absorption of the essence onto your skin and reducing skin damage. It quenches the skin with 3 kinds of hyaluronic acid, each with a different size to moisturise the skin effectively, making it bouncy and soft. Which is what I found out last month, that you need different types of hyaluronic acid to really soak into your skin because it absorbs different things at different levels and that's important. I feel educated now. It's also fortified with Phytex G Lotus AI, a patented ingredient extracted from lotus which soothes irritated skin. As with other Hello Skin masks, it contains a special ceramide complex that mimics skin lipids with strengthened skin elasticity. It gives dry and parched skin a serious dose of hydration. The star ingredient, shea butter and hyaluronic complex provide nourishment and hydration to skin for a fresh and youthful glow. So I think that's actually quite helpful to see that because that makes me a bit more like, okay, this mask knows what it's doing, it's got some good stuff. And at £3.50, that's not bad. Because that's cheaper than some other masks that are talking about serious hyaluronic action, aren't they? Oh, and Jumiso means give smile. Ju, J-U, means give, and miso means smile. So I guess make you happy, make you smile. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I've never seen this brand before, so I'm happy to see it and find out a bit about it. Can't find anything that says it's cruelty free or anything like that. So sorry about that. But it does have a very cute picture of a dog and a bone for a bar card. So that's nice. So what do I think of this collection? Obviously I've had that banana setting powder before and haven't ever got through my first one, although maybe it's out of date now, so maybe it's time to swap in a new one. maybe. But as for the other beauty products, the mask, the bath bomb and the mud soap, they're all new to me, never had them before, so I'm happy. I'm happy with the sizes. I don't mind with the mud soap being that size because I think it is enough in a soap bar to give you a good try and see how you like it. I just wish it wasn't a dark chocolate brownie, but that's just me being me and difficult, as I normally am when it comes to dark chocolate, peppers, spices, tomatoes, salad, loads of things. Yeah, I'm impressed. I think that's good value for money this month. I'm happy I've got it and I'm going to look forward to trying out these things. Let me know all your thoughts down below. What do you think? Is this a box you would like, or is this a box you'd be like, nah, I'll pass, mate? Let me know. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope it was helpful and interesting to find out about this month's Evesparcel. Until I see you next time, I hope that you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.